Murtaim Suleiman.
Thank you very much. My name is Suleiman Wasti. I worked previously with the World Bank.
What country are you from?
I am originally from Pakistan, but I've been traveling all over the Middle East. Grew up in Turkey, education in London, Washington, and upstate New York.
Yeah, if you don't mind, we focus on Afghanistan.
I would love to. I mean, I deal with the Middle East, I deal with the South Asian region, and I have recently published a paper on Pakistan's relationship with the.
Let's focus on Pakistan and Afghanistan.
Pakistan plays a double game of having a relationship with, trying to have a relationship with Afghanistan at the same time, not so good relations with India. So there is a three-way game going on.
What is the reason? What
The old tendency of having a strategic depth in Afghanistan and trying to counter Indian influence, that is a false game going on right now. And Pakistan should be an honest broker in trying to get relationship with Afghanistan and all the current government and the Taliban and the people who are there to have a peaceful resolution.
do you think that the base of the Taliban based in Pakistan, Taliban, support by Pakistan?
If you ask me honestly, those Talibans are not Pakistani Talibans. They are exported from Saudi Arabia, from Chechnya, from the Caucasus, and this is the whole problem with this Wahhabis.
But Pakistan is not responsible.
Pakistan is feeding them, and it's enjoying the benefits of both, getting the U.S. assistance on the base of fighting terrorism, but they're not really serious about it.
But why Pakistan, support the Taliban?
You see, it goes back to the history of the Iranian Revolution of 1979. After that, Pakistan became a colony of the Saudi Arabian, with all the madrasas and fighting the war in Afghanistan and feeding them. Pakistan supplied the territory. Chinese provided the arms, Saudi Arabian provided the money, the US provided the intelligence. So it was all a very bad game, which is now coming back to haunt us.
Thank you. Do you know how many madrasa, established in Pakistan and is active so far?
There are tons of them, and they are fully supported. And even it's not only the madrasas, it's the educational institutions at the level of the universities. I'll give you one example. Islamic University in Islamabad, the rector was changed at the behest of the Saudi Arabian government, who said he's not following Islam. This is the kind of tragedy which we are facing.
So it's long time. Do you think that Pakistan play game with Afghanistan?
Pakistan needs to see that it has to solve its own problems. We have our own internal terrorist threat. We cannot just blame everything on India. We cannot blame it on Afghanistan. There has to be a regional solution. Pakistan, it has to become a stable country itself.
But Pakistan, the root of the terrorist in Pakistan.
I
Do you agree with me?
I would say the roots are not entirely in Pakistan, but Pakistan is not helpful in mitigating or alleviating this.
Where does the Taliban came from?
The Taliban came. These were the fundamentalists. They are partly Pashtun. They were all the products of there was a financing from Saudi Arabia. There was financing from Somalia. They're Talibans. They're partly Pashtuns. They are basically, they don't even know anything about Islam.
How many percent you blame Pakistan?
I would blame Pakistan about 60%.
Oh. Anyway, thank you so much. One more time, could you please introduce yourself?
Suleiman Wasti, based in Washington, D.C. I am an observer or a student of the Middle East and Central Asia and Pakistan and Afghanistan.